Coding is a very creative process and it allows you to make a lot of things such as websites, mobile apps, web apps, games, and more. If you want to start your journey as a coder or programmer and you are looking for some useful resources, you are at the right place. In this guide, we will share the best websites to learn coding for free. Let's get started. Number 1. HackerRank. Let's start with HackerRank, which is arguably one of the best websites to learn coding for free. The best thing about HackerRank is that it allows you to learn coding and get hired by companies. On this platform, you will find many software houses and companies from around the world that regularly hire talented coders from the platform. On the platform, you will find a variety of crash courses along with 30-day challenges, which will help you get started with coding and take your coding skills to the next level. So if you want a website that can help you learn coding and help you get hired by a good company, then HackerRank is surely a great option for you. Number 2. Free Codecamp. Free Codecamp is one of the most popular websites to learn coding for free. The platform comes with over 7,000 tutorials covering a variety of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more. On top of that, it also offers certificates that you can showcase in your portfolio, and they can help you get jobs and projects from clients around the world. Another great thing about Free Codecamp is that it also covers the other professions related to computer science, such as quality assurance, data analysis, and machine learning. Also, Free Codecamp is completely free to use. Number 3. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is arguably one of the biggest communities of developers, and if you want to become a coder, you will need this website at some point in your career. Coding is a creative process, but sometimes you will make a mistake, and it's completely normal that you won't be able to debug it. That's where Stack Overflow will come to the rescue. The best thing about Stack Overflow is that you can easily share the issue you're facing with the coding on the platform, and you will get a response from veteran coders within minutes. On top of that, it also comes with a huge database of previous issues faced by other coders, which you can explore and find a solution to. Number 4. Geeks for Geeks. The secret of becoming a great coder is practice. And if you want to become the very best, you will have to practice a lot. And that's where Geeks for Geeks can help you. It is considered one of the best websites to learn coding for free. The platform comes with detailed coding tutorials, which you can use to learn different programming languages. The best thing about Geeks for Geeks is that it comes with various quizzes and articles which will help you take your coding skills to the next level. Number 5. Codecademy. Codecademy is another very popular coding website that is surely a resource for beginners. The platform offers free interactive sessions on various programming languages including JavaScript, Ruby, SQL, Swift, and Python. Once you are done with the basics, Codecademy also offers paid courses that will help you learn various languages in detail and become an expert. Overall, if you want a platform that can help you in the beginning and the later stages, Codecademy is surely a great option for you. Number 6. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is arguably one of the most popular websites to learn coding for free. The best thing about W3 Schools is that it covers the basics very extensively, which makes it easier for beginners to grasp the basics and start their journey as a coder. W3 Schools covers various programming languages including JavaScript, PHP, Python, Angular, Java, and C++. The best thing about W3 Schools is that it comes with an online IDE, which allows coders to run their code online, which is a big plus. If you want a website with simple and easy to understand tutorials, W3 Schools is a solid option for you. Number 7. HackerEarth. HackerEarth is one of the best websites to learn coding for free. On this platform, you will find tons of programming tutorials that you can use to learn different programming languages. Also, the great thing about HackerEarth is that it can also help you prepare for your coding interviews, and it can connect you with the right companies where you can apply for jobs and demonstrate your coding skills. So if you want a platform to learn coding and potentially get a job, HackerEarth is surely a solid option for you. Number 8. CodeMentorio. If you are just starting your journey as a coder, you should consider CodeMentorio because it can connect you with experienced developers who will help you become a great coder. Finding a mentor is surely the biggest problems for beginners, but with this platform you can easily connect with the right mentor. The biggest benefit of having a good mentor is that you will be able to learn from their experience and get personalized learning, which can be great for your career. Also, they can help you get jobs because they already work in the industry. Number 9. Codecademy. Codecademy is a very popular online learning platform which provides extensive tutorials on a variety of subjects including programming languages. It is not as extensive as the other platforms on this list, but still, it is a great resource for beginners. The platform comes with comprehensive tutorials covering the basics of various programming languages, including JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So if you have just started learning coding and you want a resource to help you with it, Codecademy is a great option for you. Number 10. edX. edX is another very popular academic website that also offers tons of programming tutorials. It is surely not an ideal choice for beginners, but once you have covered the basics of programming and you want moderate programming courses, then you can consider edX. The platform comes with a variety of programming languages including Python, Java, and C#. On top of that, it also covers some advanced level courses which are completely free for users. So if you want a website that can provide some advanced level courses, edX is a great option for you. Number 11. YouTube. If you're not a fan of written tutorials and you like video tutorials, you can consider YouTube. It is the platform with some of the best coding channels which will help you become the very best coder. On YouTube, you will find various programming channels such as Treehouse, The New Boston, Traversy Media, DevTips, Academy, and others that offer extensive tutorials on different programming languages. Also, these channels have active communities on other social media sites, which you can join and share your journey with other coders. That's all folks, these are the 11 websites to learn coding for free. Also, remember that if you want to become a great coder or programmer, practice is the key. So, make sure that you regularly practice and do new projects to improve your grasp of the programming language you have chosen. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Also, subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more useful guides. Thank you.